It's the 16th of November 2022. We have Töyrytie Liden. Strangely, it's Liden in Swedish. Just take a seat. Maunula Muonsas. Helsinki Sports modernized Finland. This is the amazing Maunula and it's original here. It was 1963, turning 60 years old in the next year, 2023, when it's going to be inspected again. And it is from early 1963. The number is H11070 with 5 floors. This has 2 rides. Sounds like it's upgraded, but still amazing.
Yeah. Respektiivt vaikuttaa, että meitä paikka on.
Maybe it has memory.
Of course.
No, but it's simple.
Yeah.
So that's it. Oops, thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the stakes and see the end. Thank you.
That's